Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello guys. Today I will explain material about grammar to fulfill English assignment. For the first time, let me introduce myself. My name is Nelsa Yoenggarsari. My presence number is 11 and my name is 140142553 and 1. And I'm from the Rombelka. Okay, uh, let's go to the first material. Okay, for the first material is simple present tense. Simple present tense is a form of verb to express facts, habit, or event that are happening at this time. This tense is most often used in English. For the example from simple present tense, number one is considering that students usually attend school 6 days a week in Indonesia. Reason, because it use time information usually. The pola is subject, verb one, es or s, and plus object. Function of the simple present tense describe it show events that are happening now or occur regularly. And the reference, you can see the reference on the screen. Okay, next. The example number 2 is all solution use glycerin, but it is expensive. The reason, because there is subject plus verb one es or s plus object. Subject all solution, for the verb is use and the object is glycerin. Function, because it show events that are happening now or occur regularly. For the reference, you can see the reference on the screen, right? And next, for the simple past tense. Simple past tense, it is a simple verb form to show that an event happened in the past. In the simple past tense, the time of the incident, yesterday, last 2 days, last year, or the time period for the month, for a day, for an hour, can be specially staged. For the example, number one, Oler and Nagato investigate the English proficiency difference between students who experience secure of English language instruction from grade 1 in one particular school and student recruit through extract examination who begin studying English from grade 7. Reason can be said to be simple past tense because it shows the past word investigate to investigate. Function describe even in the past in the definite time. For the reference from the Journal of Asia, TEFL, page 115. Okay, next the example number 2 is he walked up to the man and asked him how he did. Reason, because it tells two past events at the same time. Reference from the book entitled Bubble Fun, text 3. Alright. Next, past continuous tense. Past continuous tense is a tense that describes an event that was happening in the past or event that happened in the past and is still going on until the second event occurs. For the example, number one, I I did I did not find the past continuous tense in the textbook, the journal Asia TEFL, because the past continuous tense describe an event that happened in the past and continues until the second event occur. Also, there are no sentences that use the present subject plus be, was or were plus verb in plus complement. And in the journal, tell an event that happened in the past. For the example, for the next example number 2, like this in the bubble fun, children's storybook, I can find past continuous tense sentence with the present subject plus be, was or were plus verb in plus complement, because from the analysis it turned out that in the children book that I read there is not past continuous tense because the story tell of event that took place at that time and not in the past pattern. For the pattern, subject plus be, was or were plus verb in plus complement. For the function past continuous tense is describe an event that happened in the past and continues until the second event occur. Next, present continuous tense. The present continuous tense or present progressive tense is a form of the verb used to express an action that is taking place now, present, or plans in the future. Because it can be used in the present or future, this tense is often accompanied by an adverbial of time to clarify. For the example, in number one, in the textbook, the textbook, the effect of blended learning model on high school student learning achievement. I did not find the present continuous tense sentence because the book does not tell about action that are taking place now or planned in the future. There is no sentence that uses the present subject plus be is am/are plus verb in plus object. Present continuous tense function is events that are happening now or future plans. And the next example number 2 is make sure it is a little bigger than the one you are going to use. Reason? Because in the sentence, it states an event that is happening now and future plans with the pattern subject plus be is am/are plus verb in. Reference from the Bubble Fun book and function is present continuous tense is describe events that are happening now or future plans. Like next, simple future tense. Okay, next simple future tense. Simple future tense is a tense to describe an event that has not started and will occur in the future. Sentence in the simple future tense can be marked by the use of the word will, shall, and going to. Simple future tense is also used to express prediction or decide. For the example in number one is instructional model will take the teacher serious or serious effort in order to get maximum benefit. The reason because in the sentence tell of events that have not started and will occur in the future with the pattern subject plus will plus verb 1. The subject is instructional model plus will. For the verb 1 take and reference from the effect of blended learning model on senior high school student axiom women. For the example number 2, a playful book full of wonderful illustration and quirky tricks that will have every child waiting to read for the one and become a bubble science. Reason because in that sentence there is the word will have every child waiting to reach for the one and become a bubble science. The pola is subject plus will plus verb 1 plus object. Reference from the Bubble Fun book page 2. Okay, next is present perfect tense. Present perfect tense is a sentence pattern that is used to show events that have been completed at the present time but are still relate and are not stayed in time. The emphasis of the sentence is on the completion of the action. And the example number 1 is they have raised the highest grammar grade. Reason because the sentence use verb 3. The pattern is subject plus have or has plus verb 3. The fungsi of present perfect tense is events that have been complete at the present time but are still relevant and no time is staged. From the article vocational training and trade teaching in the public school. And example number 2 is I have never seen bubbles like that and I will really like to know how to make them. Reason because the sentence describes an event that has never been done. From the Bubble Fun book, page 4. Okay, next. Present perfect continuous tense. Present perfect continuous tense is a form of verb or tense to express an action that has been completed at a point in the past, or an action that has started in the past, but the action is still happening or a continue of the present. For the example number 1 is, I can find the present perfect continuous tense in the textbook because there is no sentence found using the present subject plus have or has plus been plus verb in. And in the textbook, it does not tell of events that occur in the past which are still continuing today. And the example number 2, like in the children's storybook, Baba Fun, I can find the present perfect continuous tense. Because in the children's storybook, it does not tell the event that happened in the past which are still continuing until now. Next, past perfect tense. The past perfect tense is a form of the verb used to express that an action was completed at some point in the past before another action occurred. Actions that have been completed in the past can occur repeatedly or only once. In addition, this tense can also be used to from. The example number one is, in fact, a recent survey conducted by AIFA's intercultural program found that 81% of 13 to 18 years old in Indonesia had considered study abroad. Reason stated that an action was completed at some point in the past before another action occurred. Formula: subject plus head plus verb T and plus complement. Function of past perfect tense is express an event that has occurred and completed in the past before another past moment occurred. This is happening at the same time. Next, the example number two, I can find the sentence from the Bubble Fun book. Reason, there is no past perfect tense because in the storybook Bubble Fun, it does tell an action that has happened in the past. Function of past perfect tense is something that happened before something else. Okay, next, past perfect continuous tense. The past perfect continuous tense is a form of verb used to express an action with a certain duration of time that was completed at a certain point in time in the past. For the example, number one and number two, I can find the sentence from the journal Education in Indonesia and the book of Bubble Fun. Reason? Because I think the journal Education Indonesia tells of an action that has happened in the past and no other action has taken place, and in the Bubble Fun story does not tell of an action that has occurred and is taking place in the past. For the pattern, subject plus head plus been plus verb ing. Function of the past perfect continuous tense is erection, or with a certain duration of time, was completed at a certain point in time in the past. Right? Next, future continuous tense. The use of this tense indicates that an event will occur in the future and continue for some time. The important thing to remember is that an incident that described by this tense has a duration of time. For the example number one is Marcia. Will we be stopping soon? We will be stopping soon. Reason, it is called the future continuous tense because it describes an event that will occur at a certain time in the future and has begun but has not yet been completed. It is proven by the formula will plus subject plus be plus verb ing plus complement. You can see the reference in the screen. Next, the example number two, I don't find the future continuous tense in the storybook Bubble Fun because in the story there is not sentence that use subject plus will be plus present participle or verb ing. And in the story, it tells about the experiment that will be carried out, but there is not sentence that match the formula for the future perfect continuous tense. Next, future perfect continuous tense. The future perfect continuous tense is used when talk about things that are already happening in the future. Sentence of the future perfect continuous tense are marked with will have been verb in and the reply is followed by a time signal like by and for. Mm, For the example future perfect continuous tense, I did not find the future perfect continuous tense in the teaching material or in the Babel Fun storybook because in the text and the story there are not sentences that use subject plus will plus have plus been plus verb in and plus complement. Mm, mm, mm. Okay, that's all I can say. Thank you very much and see you later, guys. Thank you. Bye. Bye.